Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. First of all, we need to open File Explorer. So go to search bar and type File Explorer. Then from the search results, click here to open it. On this window, we need to find a folder. So first of all, for example, we are going to choose this folder. So here it is. Simply select it, then open its properties. Now go to security tab, then select advanced tab, then we need to click on change, and from here we need to click on advanced, then select find now and search for your user account name. So my system username is Note, so I will select this, click on OK. So select OK. After that, check this box and click on apply, select yes, and then OK. Click on OK. Now close all windows one by one. The next step, go to search bar and type cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator, select yes. Now type this command carefully, type in net space user and hit enter, and using this command you can see your account's name. I have two accounts name, one is my administrators and second one is the guest account. Now we can type this command and from you can see your active status. To disable it, simply type in net user and then type in your user account name space /active : no. It will deactivate the permission of administrator. Again, to enable it, first of all we are going to check the status. So type this command and from here you can see account active is no. To enable it, simply type in net user, your user account name, and then type in space /active : s and hit enter. The command completed successfully. Again we will going to check it. So type in user net user, your user account name, and there we go. That's it guys. If you're still facing any issue related to this problem, you can send me here screenshot and details of the error message. Then personally I will help you, or I will create a specific video on this error. So simply fill all the information and then click on submit. That's it guys, you're good to go.